I know they said they didn't want to hear from me no more. They got tired of it, you know what I'm saying? The fact that I was attacking their cat like that. And they like try to shut my channels down. But can't stop the black cat, motherfucker. Still smoking weed. Still making them bleed. I ain't really giving a goddamn. I'm just pretty much just being who I am. I ain't trying to sound like my other brothers. And their methods don't cover my situation in this nation. I'm just one of a million other brothers, speaking the truth the way it be to me. It don't apply to you, just me, you see. So if my story don't relate, you can hate or debate, but just wait a second and take time through your mind and see how your crimes don't connect with my crimes, and my crimes don't connect with your crimes. But what's in your mind just ain't my design. The way that I do it, it be true to me. The little M.I., the K to the E. City of the D.C., Baltimore. Yeah, that's right, we bleed rough, and raw for sure. And for those that oppose the groove, okay, it's your choice on what makes you move. But what I do and the way I attack ain't the same as a million other raps, a million other tracks, and a million other saps. Always got something to say and end up in a million sacks. Hey, but what can you do when you play them games? It's a damn shame how you assassinate your brain. Me, myself, and I handle it like that. Keep me on point, Jack. And I don't play around, cause I ain't the ripper. I won't play around and go down on some stripper. Risking the point till the point don't make sense. Going over the fence, 8/10 of good sense. As I commence to relate the words, it ain't nothing new. All this you done heard. Mike C. OG, DC Black Cat, with them dope facts to the cat, Jack. With them black cat raps always. Ain't no joking, that way till I'm laid away. Hey.